Hi, welcome to my farm and my home and my studio. My name is Brenda Schamehorn. I'm an acrylic and watercolor and pen and ink artist. I work mostly in acrylic lately. I do natural and rural scenes a lot. I really am enthused about texture, so I try not to go overboard in what I'm doing, but I do love the texture of all the natural things I see around me. A lot of my paintings are based right here on the farm. I am a botanist as well, so I do a lot of botanical work. I like to think of it as taking you out for a walk with me and allowing me to point out the things that I really love. Sometimes it's the cows that are here. I think there's beauty in pretty well everything. I do work, I take photos in the summertime and work in my studio in the winter. So a lot of my photos are not perfect. They're taken so that I can use them as a draw for the paintings that I do in a slower season. It's a working farm here. I have a large garden, and that keeps me pretty well busy in the summertime. I'm really pleased to be finally showing my work to a wider audience. I've painted for years. I can remember painting as a child, but I worked at Queen's as an ecology instructor, and never really had the time with the farm to devote to my art. So now's the time, and I will be involved in the L&A studio tour. It's coming up September 9th and 10th. I'm a guest artist at Angela Smith Pollard's studio just near Croydon, and I'm really excited to be doing that. Looking forward to seeing you all there.